Welcome this video. There something term timeless about wine, the craftsmanship, restored the plundering its bane, and there better a way to horror that art than by display is with elegance and create. Today we dive into the world of unique wine rank, story, setup, design, idea that transforming ordering space into work of art. Whether you are called collecting, devoting, carnassial, their design provide that wine story can be both functional and stream. Let's beyond with the funded, preposed, and personal. Before choose a design, think about your lifestyle. Are you are season collecting look to store hundred of bottle or do your simple van a style functional valve that hold a few favorite your story setup should subdue just your space but also you are connected with wine modern wine rank design have loom from simple wood glory to architecture masterpiece that blend glass tone world and lights into one harmonium display. It's do just about story anymore. One of the most popular trend today is the wall vomit wine rank. Those design safe space with showcase you are collecting beautiful full rank modern make of metal create a sleep minimalist look that seen to glowing some even backlight LED stick turn each bottle into a glory piece of art. For smart house or apartment, a various wall rank bed the drink area add sophistication without cuts.